Hi there. In PR and digital marketing, there is a growing obsession with links. A lot of people approach PR purely as a way to get backlinks for SEO, almost treating every pitch like it should result in a hyperlink. But the reality is, when you are chasing links too aggressively, it can actually damage your PR results instead of improving them. So today we'll break down why that happens, what PR is actually meant to do, and how focusing too much on links can weaken your campaigns over time. So why people focus on links in PR? Well, it's easy to see why this mindset exists. Backlinks are tied to SEO, authority, and search rankings. So it feels logical to connect PR success directly with link acquisition. But PR was never built as a link generation system first. It's a visibility and credibility tool that sometimes produces links naturally when the story is strong enough. Now, here are a few things that can go wrong when you trace the links. And the first is your pitch becomes transactional instead of story driven. Instead of leading with insights or relevance, the pitch subtly shifts towards what you want in return. Journalists can usually pick up on that shift quickly. So when that happens, the story stops feeling editorial and it starts feeling like a request, like you have to do this. This immediately reduces the chances of being included. Then you start forcing stories that don't fit the publication. So when links become the goal, people often bend or stretch angles just to justify inclusion. But journalists don't care about SEO logic, they care about audience relevance and timing. This mismatch often leads to rejection because even a good story becomes irrelevant if it doesn't serve the publication's readers. Then you overvalue placement and undervalue coverage. Not every PR win includes a backlink, but that doesn't mean there is no value. Brand visibility, repeated exposure, and authority building often matter just as much in the long run. If you only focus on links, you end up ignoring strong media placement that still build a trust and recognition. Then you limit your own media opportunities. Some of the most valuable PR coverage doesn't include links at all. You can think about print, newsletters, or even syndicated features. These placements can still drive brand awareness and credibility even without SEO value. By focusing only on link friendly outlets, you unintentionally shrink your overall PR reach. Then you weaken your long term journalist relationships. So, journalists are not link providers, they are storytellers looking for or working for the audience. If every pitch feels like it's chasing SEO value, it changes how they perceive you over time. That shift can make them less likely to engage with future pitches that you send through to them, even when the story is genuinely strong. And then lastly, you miss out on organic link opportunities anyway. So, ironically, when you stop focusing on links, you often get more of them naturally. Strong storytelling, useful data, and credible expert insights tend to earn links without any request at all. The more you force links, the less natural your coverage feels, and that can reduce the chances of earning them. So, a better way to think about it, instead of starting with, how do I get a backlink from this? Shift the question to, is this actually valuable to the journalist's audience? When you prioritize relevance, timing, and storytelling, links become something that may happen, not something you force. It also changes how journalists respond to you because you are no longer approaching them with an SEO first mindset. So over time, that makes your pictures feel more natural, more credible, and more aligned with how the media actually works. So where links actually fit in PR? So links still matter, just not at the starting point. They tend to appear when you a credible data or research source. You contribute expert commentary or bylined content. The publication is digital and includes references as well. And your brand is used as a real world example or case study. Even then, the link is a byproduct of the story, not the goal itself. So, chasing links in PR can feel productive, but it often distorts the way campaigns are built and pitched. The strongest PR strategies doesn't start with SEO targets, they start with stories worth telling. And when you get that right, visibility, credibility, and sometimes even links, they all tend to follow naturally.